good, the bad, and the ugly. The good to show you that hard work does in fact pay off. The bad and the ugly to show you that when you feel like things are hopeless, or all you feel like you do is just keep messing up, if you keep grinding and have some faith, God will show you, big or small, miracles do in fact happen.
Big Tom, Big Tom. Is he? Oh yeah, he's got a big beard. Right now there's 4 in front of us.
Just be careful, Wolfen. They have really good eyesight.
Yes. Now there's 5 in front of us. That's a big boy.
Oh, yeah, just keep your face behind that camera. Pull it down a little bit. You don't have to have your mask on. I don't really want to move forward too much, so you're going to have to tell me what they're doing.
Okay. There's 2 Toms in front of us struggling out right now.
They're coming, aren't they?
They're starting to veer that way a little bit, but they're
The 2 are Jake's over to the right, I think. They're definitely not Big Toms. You just let me know when they're done. Gosh, that sounds awesome.
walking toward us.
I'm shaking so bad, I'm having a hard time doing my birds. Are they coming?
They started walking toward us when you did that. They're slowly, very slowly making their way over here. Okay, one of them's coming this way.
Another camera. Oh gosh, they're coming. I can't
They're
get
coming,
the camera on.
They're coming. We got a camera right now. It's happening.
guys, that was quick. Got my brother here filming with me. We got some light in here because it's still so early, but you can see back behind me, it's plenty enough to shoot. Those turkeys were roosted right on the edge of this field, and we didn't expect that. We thought they were back by the pond. With the leaves being off, we figured you could just hear it really well, but no, they were close, and Dave watched them fly right down. They strutted out there for a little bit and came in, and we're pretty sure we made a good shot on that one. Had to put another one in him just the way he was acting, but never seen him go down either, so I'm hoping he's down over here.
Yeah, we were sitting, what, about 10 minutes after setup? And they come out?
Yeah, if that. And Dave said I didn't see all of them. He was the only time to come in, and when Dave said the other two weren't coming in, they were hanging back. I knew they were probably going to eventually go that way, so I was going to shoot that one. And
those other two are going to
yeah, that's pretty much how it happened. The other ones are heading off that way, so we're going to give it a few more minutes. We watched the shot. It looked really good. Looked like it hit him when he was strutted right in that beard area. But we're going to check, and we'll give it a little bit and see what happens. That's crazy, man. Alright guys, we're back in the blind. Unfortunately, couldn't find the bird. We looked everywhere and couldn't see him. So, Dave pointed something out. I thought I had no blood on my arrow, but it looks like I hit just under the arteries or the lungs and stuff, because I hit a lot of that meat and it took off a lot of that blood. But we decided to, obviously I had to clean my broadheads out, so I went back up to the car, grabbed my Allen wrench, clean those out. But on our way there and back, we hit the call, kind of trying to sound like a turkey moving, and we've got a lot answering back. We've actually got another group answering back now, so it's about 8 o'clock. We were looking at pictures here, Dave is anyways, and he's pointing out how there's a lot in here at about 2 o'clock, and well, between that 11 o'clock and 2 o'clock period. So we're probably going to sit until about then, maybe a little bit past, and we'll see what happens. But we got some gobbling again. Unfortunately to me, though, it looked like a good shot. It was slightly low. Probably just under the vitals. Get a lot of that meat. Yeah, there they go again, gobbling. Do you hear that? Yeah. We'll let you know what happens.
I'd say take the shot of him, cut that branch down.
If he comes up another 5 yards, I can get him.
Okay. Focus on where you want to hit him right now. And every time you adjust, keep thinking about where you want to hit him. There's a couple jigs coming to the right. him do his thing. I don't think he's gonna go anywhere. Let him get as close as he can.
That Jake. Those twigs are the way. That'd be a perfect shot right there.
There you go. That's up to you. Just focus on where you want to hit it. Oops.
Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me right now, Dave.
You might have another shot, Josh. Just hurry up.
You gotta be kidding me right now.
You're good. You're good. Just take your time. He's broadside. Okay, he's got his butt to you. Wait till he gets broad. There you go. Just let him stop. Aim for the... Just aim where you need to aim.
Oh, I smoked him.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
He's done. He's done.
Yes.
He's done. He's done.
Good
He's
shot,
good.
Josh.
Dude.
Good shot.
Oh my gosh. Dude, there's more coming too. He's huge. Like some of this stuff.
Yeah, look at that.
They might even come over and beat up this my Tom.
There you go, Josh. Look at it.
Dude,
He
that
was-
one's huge.
He was just pumped out. There he goes again. There he is.
Did you get that? You've got the things I haven't been able to get for 3 years turkey hunting.
Good catch. Do it again, Josh. Look at Josh.
That second, that one, that big Tom, right between closest to us, he's big. They're gonna go beat up my bird, Dave.
Try not to be loud. This kid's beating your bird up.
Are you videoing it?
Yeah, they're backing at him. Get him.
The spurs on him, man. All right, guys, here it is. That was a pretty interesting hunt, wouldn't you say, Dave?
Yep.
Dave and I were just talking about that. We had the one come in right off the get, strutting out there. Then they came in just like you want, picture perfect, and I messed it up. I hit just a little low, and then my second shot, I thought I was right there, but I must have hit just a touch high. So I was shooting all around the bullseye pretty much. And then we get back in the blind. After getting the broadheads cleaned up and on our way back down, we called a little bit to try and imitate a moving turkey. And we could hear turkeys gobbling as we were walking back. But when we got back in the blind, it was no more than 30 minutes we could hear the turkeys getting closer. So next thing you know, this guy came in and then a couple other strutters behind him. And kind of had a deja vu moment, made a bad shot. I knew it from the get. That was 110%, or all of them were on me, and Luckily I had my brother there, you know, calm down, keep it cool, focus where you want to hit, and when you realize it, pick it and stay on that spot. And if it wasn't for him, I'm not sure if I would have got this, but he got some awesome video either way. God orchestrated this hunt, and glory be to him, because if it wasn't for him and all this stuff, it wouldn't happen this way. So I appreciate you guys watching. As always, God bless, and I hope you guys have some luck in the turkey woods this year.
Alright guys, we're back. As you can see, we're going to start working on this, getting it cleaned up, taking all the scraps and stuff off, and feathers and whatnot. But my wife is actually pointing a couple of things out. You guys seen it. I took 4 shots today, and the first one I felt really good. I mean, you can see it too. It looked really good, and I think after that, like my brother was saying, where do you hit these things at? And I was explaining to him, you know, their diaphragms about 2 of your fists, maybe smaller. Or their vitals anyways, and I must have shot just under, and then the next 2 shots I just, especially that third one, I knew it. Like as soon as I shot, I was like, oh man, I screwed that up. That's the point of this channel, you know, is to show you guys the good, bad, the ugly, and hopefully out of any of those things you learn from it and not do it, or do it and apply it and have more success. But as you guys can see, you know, to me it was a God-given hunt to shoot that turkey with the snow on the ground, which I didn't even really fathom it in the moment. My brother being there, my brother being able to film it, I almost didn't even get up and go. My wife woke me up and she was talking about it. She's like, you know, that's a God-given moment right there.
Absolutely.
'Cause she even said it this morning. She's like, I felt like God woke me up to make sure you were up, and it was one. I always wake up, and it was one of those mornings where I didn't mention it was 3 o'clock. I had to get up because I had to go all the way and get my brother, and then we headed up north. But it was a crazy hunt. I hope you guys enjoy it. Like and subscribe, and we're gonna get some turkey breasts on the grill.
God bless.